Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing great because today we are about to do some shoe unboxing. If anyone knows me, they know that I love shoes so much. So if you're into that, please stay tuned and let's jump right into this video. I'm actually trying to get rid of all the shoes I have. It's true story. I've outgrown the styles I have at the moment. Like, I don't really love any of the shoes. I don't love most of the shoes I have. From all the shoes that I have at the moment, I only love like 3 pairs. So I'm trying to get rid of all that. I'm gonna give all those shoes out. Just need quality and something that is wearable. I don't want something that I'm just gonna keep and it's very uncomfortable. So no, we're not going to do that. So that's why I'm buying more shoes. In case you're wondering, she has more shoes and then she's trying to get more shoes. So yeah, that's the reason. So without further ado, let's begin this video, and we're gonna begin with something a bit familiar. I showed you guys these shoes in one of my videos, but you didn't really get to see the beauty of this shoe. So this is it. I love this so much. This is from Boohoo. They kind of remind me of the Fenty shoes, so that's why I love this. And the unique thing about this shoe is the heel. See, look at how it's shaped at the back. It looks so sexy, extremely sexy. And the pointed toe, this is so beautiful. So this is kind of a velvet material. But the bad news, again, me wasting money. The bad news about this particular shoe is it's a 38. I bought it because I thought I can try to fit myself into it. But I decided I'm not going to embarrass myself. I won't. It's so beautiful, but I'm just going to keep it on the shelf. But also I have a cousin who would really love this. She wears a 38, so I'm gonna give this away. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna keep it on my shelf because it's so pretty. So this is shoe number 1, and I'm not gonna try this on, guys, because it's so it's not pretty. It's not pretty on me because it's small. It's too small. But this is so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. So this is number 1. Next up, let's do this. I got this from Brands for Less, and it says Macy's something. No, yeah, that's what it says, but the brand is not that. So we have some nude pumps. I've always wanted a nude pump. I do have some nudes, but they are strappy heels. So I've been wanting to get a nude pump for a long time, and I really love this. At first it wasn't really into, at first I looked at it and I was like, no, I'm not really, I don't really think I love this. But when I tried it on, it really looked sexy, and it's, oh my goodness, this shoe is very comfortable, guys. I'm going for comfortable heels, but comfortable but sexy at the same time. I'm not just gonna be going out, of course, for anything comfy. Duh. So, but I love this. They really look great on the feet, and they look great with skirts, pants, dresses, everything. So this is it. It's in a size 9.5, but I'm usually a 9. I'm a 9, but they only had it in this size, and I was like, it's not as bad. So I can always add some, what are they called, the insoles, to make it fit perfectly. It does fit, but if I just want that extra, yeah, this is it. So this is from a brand called BC something. Guys, trust me, I'm going for some nice quality stuff. So this is really great. As you can see right here, this is so beautiful to me. This to me just means that it's great quality. It's one of those shoes that I'm gonna keep using for a long time, that I know. So this is that, and I love them so much. We have something from Mango as well. These I got as a gift. These I was gifted by my friend called Mariam. So thank you so much, Mariam. She gifted this to me as a Christmas present, and oh my god, these are the, guys, this is the kind of style that I'm going for. I'm gonna be doing more shoe unboxing, only that at the moment I don't really have that budget, but very soon. There are some shoes that I've been looking at for a long time, and once I'm ready for that, you guys are gonna see what kind of style I'm really talking about. So these are the kind of shoes I'm trying to go for. I have plenty of these, by the way, but they are not very same. I'll show you guys. Okay, you see this I've worn once, but I've outgrown this style. I want something like this. You see how sexy this looks? It's very slim, and guys, you might think that this is uncomfortable, but this is very comfortable. This shoe is very stable. Like when you're walking, like, I don't know, when I was walking in these, they feel like I'm not even wearing heels. There's a way I don't really know how these are made. These are actually from Mango, in case I didn't mention. They are so beautiful, and I love this. It looks really sexy. The color, I love the burgundy. It's actually kind of this, but you can tell the difference. These are sexy. These, I don't like this. I'm giving all these away and so much more. So yeah, these are the shoes, and I love them so much. So Mariam, thank you so much, because these are a treasure. I'm gonna treasure these for a long time. Love them so much. These are, I got these in a size 39, of course, because I'm a 39. So this is that. This right here. All right, these are from a brand called Thigh. I don't really know how they read that, but I love how they are packaged so beautifully. You know, these are also other, they are nude pumps. So beautiful. Look at that, guys. I love the pump. It looks super sexy. I love this down here. It looks so beautiful to me. Like, I love those little details. Really, they mean so much to me. And yeah, the shoe is very stable. The fact that I have all these shoes here, I can tell the difference. I can always tell the difference in quality. So when I say it's stable, I know, and I'm speaking from experience. So this is really great. I love it. I love how it feels when you're walking. It does not even feel like you're wearing heels, actually. That's why I love this, and I'm going for things like this. I want to get things that I can really wear, and like something that won't hurt my feet, if you know what I mean. I'm not saying heels are supposed to be comfortable, but there are heels that they are high, but they are comfortable at the same time, if you know what I mean. So these are one of those, and I love this so much. This can be one with several stuff, given the fact that they are pump, and this thingy, what's it called? Kind of silicone thingy. It kind of gives the illusion of you wearing, like, it's a pump, but then it gives that illusion of it's open, kind of open. Size 39 again. And I hope you've seen the brand. It's over there. I got all these from Brands for Less. So we also have some boots. Yeah, I've always wanted to own a pair of boots. You know, some things are really so weird to style for me. Like, I believe that not everything is meant for everyone. So if you really feel like certain things don't really look good on you, I think it's always better to stay away. So I've always been that kind of person. I love boots, but then at the same time, I'm like, how will I wear them? But then this time around, I was like, let me try them and see. So I began with a flat boot. This can be worn in winter. This would be really great in winter because you always want to be warm. So I believe these, you can't go wrong. It's okay, you can wear them, and they can be worn with anything. Not necessarily anything, but anything. I mean, yeah, you can wear them with a short dress, you can wear them with leggings, you can wear these with jeans, anything to get extra warmth, if you know what I mean. So I got these, and these are from American something. They're a brand called American Rag. They were nicely wrapped. These were all nicely wrapped, but I've been trying to do this video for a long time, guys, and it stressed me out so much that the original packaging is, I already threw it away. But yeah, these are that. They are velvet material, as you can see there, and I got this in a size 40 because I'm usually, like I said, I'm a 39. But in things like this, you're going to wear socks because you need to be warm. So I was like, it's better to get these in an extra, like a size up, so that there's room for socks, like warm socks. So that's why I got these in a 30, and yeah, I can't wait to wear this. I don't know. Yeah, these are gonna be great for just those cold times, just the cold times. I believe that's what they're meant for. And also, if you have a farm, I see, like, this are kind of cowboy-ish thingy, so I believe this can also be worn around the farm. And for us who usually go to the villages, if you're Ugandan, you know, when you go to the villages, this can really do as well. So I can say that I'm gonna use this. if I ever want to elevate to other styles of boots, I love the stiletto ones because I love stilettos a lot. So, but I feel like that's too much. I feel like it's, you know, I love to look good, but at the same time I don't want too much attention on myself. That's why I'm not so much into strappy stuffs, things that go all the way to your, I feel like that calls for so much attention, and I don't think I'm that person. But you never know. You never know, really. If I got these, maybe I can get those too, but we'll see. But anyways, these are these, and I love them a lot too. So the last piece that we have are these sandals. I've talked about strappy stuff, and these are them. These are flats, and they are those strappy, they have those, what are they called? Are they straps? Whew. So these are flats, and they are, oh guys, this quality, it is everything that I've shown you. It's really great quality, but I just don't know if you guys can find it. This is one of them. The leather is so great on these. There are some sandals that you really feel extremely cheap and stuff, so this is really great. This is from a brand called Miss Selfridge. These were nicely packaged, but I already think it opened the strap. So this goes all the way to your they're high enough, but like I said, I'm not that kind of person, but I love trying out new stuff. So I'm gonna try this. I don't know if I would like them, but if I don't, I know someone who will appreciate this. I'll give these away. So this is one of the reasons, but I love the color. That's one of the reasons I got it. Plus the quality is wonderful. It feels so great when you wear them like this. There's a way it's cushioned. These straps are cushioned and they feel really wonderful. And these, once you tie them, they don't really, they are strong enough. Like, I think it's leather. I don't know if it's real leather, but it doesn't untie. So this is why I love this as well. So this marks the end of this video. I hope you've loved this, and of course there are more shoes coming, because once all these go away, I'm gonna be left with empty shelves and maybe sneakers, because I have lots of sneakers and I don't really leave them out because I don't want them to get dirty. So I don't want to give, like, it's not like I'm trying to hold on to them, because I already made up my mind I don't want these anymore. So, but before I get rid of everything that I have on the shelves, plus I have another shelf that's over there, this and the other, and then my sneakers are over there, and some new, now these ones are all in boxes. I'm not gonna put them here until I get my new heels, and then I can, you know, design my shelf again. So that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed everything. Stay tuned for more videos, and I know I'm not as consistent as I should be, but I'm gonna try, okay? So thank you so much guys for watching, and let's see each other in my next one. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.